Hello everyone, this is Manqina together with Khumalo, and we are going to demonstrate to you Excel functions, mainly the average, how to calculate a personal average and a class average. So when you're calculating a personal average, what you do is you place your cursor on the cell you want to calculate the average for, and then you press the equal sign as this is an equation. You then press your formula or your function, which is the average, and then you place your cursor on the cell you want to calculate the average for. You press your comma, and then you press another cell that you want to calculate the average for. You then close your brackets and press enter. It will automatically give you an answer. So because you are a busy man or a woman, so you will simply press autofill for all the other blocks. It will automatically fill the averages for all the other learners. So now, when you want to calculate a class average, what you simply do is you again press the equal sign. After pressing the equal sign, you type in your average again as you are calculating the average. This is your function. And then this time, instead of selecting each and every cell that you want to calculate, you can just select and drag, as these are too many numbers for you to be dragging when you simply close your bracket and press enter. That is your PS2 class average. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. This was Mvume and Lwandile.